How to deposit money in Binance. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your Binance account and log into your account. After that, you would be able to find this option of deposit at the top. When you click on it, you would be able to find different options. You can utilize the first one if you have crypto assets in some other wallet and you want to deposit the crypto. Then just simply select this wallet, then select the crypto of your choice that you are depositing and provide your address of that particular wallet and make sure that you are providing the right wallet, also selecting the right details. And selecting the right details is absolutely important, otherwise you will be able to lose your assets, so make sure that you perform it quite well. Now for the other methods, if you don't have crypto, you can utilize them. Like you can purchase crypto using your card or your bank account, and you can also deposit your money from your bank if you want to use this particular option. And if you directly want to deposit cryptos in your wallet using your bank, then select this P2P. What it will do is it will provide a third party in between you and the exchange, and all the transactions that you will be taking place and all the transactions that you will initiate would go between you and the third party in the exchange. Suppose you are spending $100 from your bank and you want to purchase Bitcoin or USDT directly, then the third party between you guys would be purchasing that particular amount from you, or you would be transferring the $100 to that person, and that person would be selling you the $100 worth of Bitcoin or USDT in your account, and after that you would be able to get it on your exchange account. Now how do we do it? For this, just simply select P2P trading and wait for it to load. Now this is how it will appear for you after you click on P2P trades. Now over here, make sure that you select the option of buy, then select the amount that you want to purchase, and you can also select the type of payment that you are going to make, and you can select your bank or some other application on your mobile. You can select the region of your and search for it, and you would be able to select it. After that, just go through different listings over here and also check out how much USDT are you willing to purchase. Here you can select the crypto that you want to get in your account for the amount of $100. So currently it is on USDT, so we will be purchasing USDT and paying out in US dollars. So the first person is this, and it has completed 713 orders and the completion rate is 99.4. so it is a good completion rate. Make sure that you go with someone who has at least a 97 or above completion rate, because it is quite important. You can check out the dollar price or the US dollar price for that particular USDT that you will be getting. Smaller amount it is, the better for us. So you would be able to select a better person from here, and in the payment section, simply select the payment that you are comfortable with. So simply select that particular person and click on this option of buy USDT. We are just simply selecting it as an example, and here it will appear like this. You can select the amount that you want to pay, which was $100, and we will be receiving 101.41 USDT for it. Now it will ask you to set up your payment method, which is through bank or any other application, and after that you can purchase it. Then you would be transferring these $100 to that particular person that we just talked about as a third party. But make sure that you only confirm your transaction when you receive your USDT in your account. So this way you would be able to make the payments and purchase the USDT in your account or deposit the crypto in your account. I hope this particular video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.